All right, let's answer your questions now. Mary in San Diego, California asks, would you sell Apple to buy Facebook in 2022 for a better return? That's an interesting question. Steve Weiss, what do you say? And again, I just bring up that I'm sure a lot of people say, oh, heck no, I would never do that. Stephanie Link sold Alphabet and put money into Facebook. So, you know, there is precedent to selling one mega cap and heavily loved stock and putting it into Facebook.
So gun to head, if I had to pick one, I would pick Facebook. The reason I own Apple is because I do believe they're going to have some new products coming out this year that are going to drive the stock. But that's sort of a guess right now. In terms of fundamentals, in terms of valuation, in terms of growth, as Jenny pointed out before, I would definitely own Facebook over Apple.
Jenny?
But you can own them both, and I do.
I think you need to consider what kind of account you're doing this in. If it's an IRA and there's no tax consequence, I agree 100% with Steve for exactly that reason. You've got Apple with a 5%-ish earnings growth for the next couple of years. You've got Facebook with high teens, low 20s. You've got Facebook trading at 23 times, Apple at 31 times. But if it's a taxable account and you're going to get hammered on your capital gains, then it's a little bit of a different equation.
Joe, how do you answer this question?
Doesn't fit with my process. If you basically look at a chart of Facebook, the moving averages and the price look like a ball of yarn. They're all jumbled together. Apple, on the recent sell-off, it didn't even touch the 50-day moving average. So, you know, I believe in buying strength. That's where confidence is reflected in technical formations. I love the buyback from Apple, and I still think that Facebook will have midterm election year regulatory challenges.
Okay. All right.